Hey guys, I'm back with another video with Beauty in the City. So today I'm just going to be doing my basic makeup routine. So first I'm just going to start with the Beauty in the City serum. Just apply like a dime size to your face, like this. And put it all over my face. It smells so good. Make sure you get to the forehead, of course. So, and that's done. I'm gonna take my Beauty in the City lash and brow serum. So I just apply this all over my lashes and my eyebrows so they can continue to flourish while I put makeup over them. So this just helps it grow while you're always putting makeup all over them. So this you have to do. Okay, so then I'm just going to apply this also to my lashes. You're going to apply it to your bottom lashes, which I do, so it can continue to flourish while I put makeup over them. And do the same. This one, just lightly. Okay, great. Now that that is done, I'm gonna take my Beauty in the City lip oil and I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. Smells so good. It makes you look so shiny. I love your shiny lips. Perfect. So now my lips are done. Lips are moisturized. Eyebrows are glowing and I'm gonna stay growing. I'm gonna take my Beauty in the City. I know this is like out of order, or like I love this spray. I really cannot go a day without this spray. I'm just gonna spray this like all over my collarbone. So this like gives you like the ultimate shine. I'm actually gonna take a brush today though and apply it like so, like this. And this just like gives you like the best freaking like sparkle, especially like on your collarbones. Like if you're wearing like a little dress, you could put this like all over your collarbones and it just looks amazing. This is gonna be like a really simple natural look today, but these products are like my go-to, so I can keep glowing after I'm even done doing the makeup, you know. Like, look at this. So yeah, today's a little different because I'm using a brush. I usually never use a brush. I usually just like do it with my hands. But today I'm going to use a brush. And actually it looks so much better with a brush. Because look. Like, look at this. This actually looks really good. Amazing. So cute. It's essential. I mean, all these products are essential. But like, this. If you want to go, baby, you gotta get this. So that's done. My collarbones are glowing. I'm just gonna go in now with my Beauty in the City Mascara. I love to do my bottom lashes. Like today's gonna be a really simple look. I like to do my bottom lashes. So they're like always like really like thick and stuff and like showing. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply some, not too much today, but just a bit. I really honestly can't go without it, I'm not gonna lie. And just really softly do your bottom lashes. I already have top lashes, so I'm not gonna go in and do my top lashes, but if you don't have individuals, I highly suggest you go in with your Beauty in the City Mascara and do your top lashes. So I'm just gonna do it to both of my eyes, of course, and apply as so to my lashes. Okay, it actually looks like really wispy and stuff, so I think I'm fine. Yeah, I love it. Like a spider. So then I'm going to go in with Beauty in the City. I actually started doing something like really different. My Beauty in the City Ninja. This is actually an ultimate eyeliner, but I actually use it as a lip liner. So it looks so pretty. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Luckily the lip oil is not gonna really show that much, but still. There's lip oil. Oh, it's coming out. So I just like apply this on the bottom for my lips. Then a little at the top. And look, it's so beautiful. Angelic. Yes. I just started doing this like yesterday and I like really love it. It looks so cute. Like this is an eyeliner, but I started using it as a lip liner and it gets the job done, so who cares? Who's gonna tell me something? Love it. So then I'm just gonna go in with my everyday products, my MAC concealer, and just cover up my dark spots that I have because I really hate them. And I have a lot of them for no reason. So I'm just gonna go in and cover them up as usual. Cover this one up. This pimple that I just got, I got out of nowhere, so random anyway. And yeah, cover them to the best of my abilities because I hate the dark spots. They have to go immediately. And yeah, then I'm just gonna put some powder over them. I'm gonna put some powder over all the spots that I covered up. Bottom and top. I'm just gonna pull out my lashes. They're actually coming through. Not complete. Just comb them out. And then I'm just gonna wipe away the excess powder and I should be done. The final look.